In order to withstand the high temperature environments that the logger will be placed in, it is absolutely vital to purchase the correct battery. To find the correct battery, navigate to the HiTemp140 product page on the MadgeTech website. Then find the add-ons section. The correct battery can be found in this section. Or simply click the link in the description below, which will take you directly to the correct battery's webpage. With the correct battery replacement in hand, begin by unscrewing the body of the logger. Then remove and properly dispose of the old battery. Insert the new battery with the positive polarity pointing upward. Now screw the device back together and you're ready to begin logging.